Well, we know that there are hundreds, if not thousands, of side effects caused by pharmaceutical drugs. I mean, it's too many to even talk about. But any pharmaceutical drug is an unnatural substance. It's a chemical that was never meant to be put in the body, and it causes an unnatural biochemical reaction in the body that will have unintended side effects. And some of those are cancer. You watch television. Actually, I don't recommend you watch television. But if you watch television, you will see prescription drug ads. And at the end of every drug ad, you'll hear a disclaimer about all the side effects that it may include. And many of them say may include cancer, may cause cancer. So here's a drug for your restless legs, which, by the way, can be completely solved with a diet change. But it also may give you cancer.
It's funny that you mention that, because when we don't watch a lot of television, but when my kids see a commercial, we always watch the drug commercials because of the fact that I've tried to teach them, listen to what the side effects are. And it's really mind-blowing. As a matter of fact, sometimes you'll have a drug that is used to treat XYZ that actually in the list of side effects may cause XYZ.
Well, yeah, chemotherapy would be one of those.
Right.
I know, it's true. It's true. It's it's just unfortunate because money is really is the driver of medicine. Money is the driver, and we live in a world where the industry is trying to promote itself and rebrand itself as science-based medicine. And the truth is, it's not science-based. It's patent-based, and it's profit-based. Because the only science they're interested in is science that will lead to the development of a patentable, highly profitable drug. They ignore the huge body of scientific evidence on nutrition. It's completely ignored. And yet, medicine tries to claim that it's science-based, but again, it's ignoring nutritional science and lifestyle medicine. So it's a pretty bogus claim. But you'll see, there's people out there with blogs and whatever claiming to be all about science. And they use this blog as a platform to promote conventional therapies, surgery, and drugs.
Right.
But they ignore all nutritional science. So, there's a journal called Nutrition and Cancer. It's been published since 1979, medical journal. You're not going to see any studies from that published on some of these websites that claim to be all about science.
So they're very selective.
Absolutely. And we know that a lot of the science is fraud. A lot of the science is fraud science that has to do with the development of drugs, because you look at the number of drug recalls that happen every year, you look at the side effects that happen with drugs, and you look at the fact that the FDA panels consist of many conflict of interest researchers that work to develop a drug and then sit on a panel at the FDA that's supposed to be neutral to get that drug approved.